Hello, we are Aida and Gerard, and we are going to play a very funny game.
Yes, it's called Never Have I Ever. Let's see. Never have I ever left a shop or a restaurant without paying.
Some months ago, I left a Chinese shop without paying all the products. Well, the cashier didn't see that I had more things in my hands.
I have, in the swimming pool restaurant. I was with my friends and nobody paid.
Never have I ever peed in the shower. Who hasn't?
Never have I ever stuck a chewing gum under the glass table.
I don't usually like chewing gum.
I have. I always eat chewing gum in class, even the teacher catches me with some.
Never have I ever been on a naked beach.
Never. I don't want to see things that I want to see. I don't want to be traumatized.
I went naked on a beach that only had a few people.
Never have I ever jumped in a pool with clothes on.
I didn't want to jump in, my friend pushed me in.
No, I haven't, but I have jumped in a pool on underwear.
Never have I ever broken a bone.
Yes, I have. I have broken my left arm 5 times.
I have never, but I've broken my teeth.
Never have I ever fallen downstairs.
I have. When I was a child, I have a scar in my eyebrow.
No, I haven't. But my phone has fallen downstairs.
Never have I ever done skydiving or scuba diving.
Yes, I have both. I did skydiving in Empuria Brava and scuba diving in Malta.
No, I haven't, but I want to try scuba diving.
Never have I ever fallen in love with a relative. No.
No, but I think that my cousins are very pretty. And that is the end of the video.
If you like it, just put a like and comment.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Bye.